start with a draft. First of all, what is a draft? Draft is just article structure. So it's document structure will help you with the right meta description and right article layout. So if you just look on the meta, you can just use one of the titles from your competitors and then change it, of course. You can do the same with the descriptions. Just go through the descriptions, say like, okay, this is something that I like. Maybe it should be something different. Okay, this one or this one. You can really very easy compose the way how the snippet will be visible for end user, for someone who is searching for this information, and if will be click worthy. So this is really important here to understand that we are building here the trust between the search and the user because they have to click on our snippet. So this is really important. You have here titles and descriptions from your competitors. Of course, we do not advise to use them one-on-one. This is just for your information to understand what they do and how you can do it better. Then in the section article layout, you can build very, very easy article from the user issues, from the user problems, why they are looking for these best running shoes. So what kind of problems you would like to solve? So typically, you can just, as you can see, there is 200 headers and 200 questions could be as well leading. You can just start with something very basic like what, for example, yes? And we have all the what questions here, or how, and how, and we have how questions here, and so on and so on. So you can just build your story in the article based on the user intent. Yes. So, okay, first of all, best running shoes for women. So what are the best running shoes for women? Yes. What are, here we have it. What are the best women running shoes? So this is exactly what we're looking for as an opening sentence. Then what kind of, yeah, so I would say like, for example, okay, we can say like what are the differences between woman and man, but I wouldn't really cover this. I will cover this one, like what are the most popular running shoes in 2022 and what are the cheapest ones as well. Yeah, so popularity doesn't mean that they are affordable. What to look for, yes. And then you can go for how, and you can see how to test, yes, how to test running shoes, how to pick. And then you can just go and browse through all the sections to find a good article paragraph which will fit to this what you would like to communicate and be really close to the user intent. Yes. So of course here we have some information about like best road, best lightweight, let's say casual could be, yes, and so on, long distance, and so on and so on for trails, yes. As you can see, there is a lot of options here to go through, and specifically if you have your brand, for example, Adidas, yes, then you can very easily also filter the questions which are related to your brand. And of course, we are talking here about the questions from Google as well, yes. So there are not only the headers from the competitors, but you can also use the questions from Google, yes. Like for heavy female runners, yes. So, okay, I'm a heavy runner. What should be good for me? And then you can just manipulate those sections and just place them according to your article structure, higher, lower, whatever you like. When it's fine, you can save it, or you can just straight copy to the editor. And this is how it looks like when you copy the article structure from a draft to the editor.